Here I have Honor Play, and let me show you how to enter the eRecovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then let's prepare the USB-C cable connected to your computer, to your PC, and then let's start. Simply hold the volume up, keep holding volume up, and while holding volume up, connect your device by using this USB-C cable. Keep holding volume up. Alright, you can release volume up right now. So as you can see, this is eRecovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. You can choose here download latest version recovery. You can accomplish hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset, or you can quit this mode by choosing reboot or shut down. In my case, let me choose reboot, press power key to confirm it, and let's just simply wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Alright, as you can see, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.